With the money, with the moolah. Give me more for the worth. Blue honey, Papa Smurf. 2-0 be the turf. Social media thug. Get thrown in the dirt. I'm the blame, I'm the blame. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. See a hater, chuck a deuce. Drop a finger for the truth.
Alexa, what temperature is it?
Right now, it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yo, what's good? What's up with y'all, man? I know it's been forever since I tapped in, made a new video. Y'all gotta excuse me. It's off season though. Y'all see what temperature it is out here. It's freezing cold. Just ain't no way we've been able to get out and really ride the bikes like that. But it's been so long since I made a video. I said I don't care what the temperature is. We getting out here today. Also, it's a special day too because it's Christmas Eve and I'm cooking fried turkey. So as y'all see, I got my turkey pot on. Come in, come on. Yeah, we got it going. We got it going good. I'm out here on the turkey pot. I got the bike right there. It's only 10 degrees out here. I don't even know when this bike is gonna start. We're gonna see them, alright? So like I said, y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're still on the road to 300 subscribers. My fault, y'all forgive me for taking so long in between videos. But that's just what it's been, alright? So come on, I'm gonna go ahead, try to start this bike up and then at least, I don't know, go down the street until I can't take the cold no more, alright? Come on, let's go.
One eternity later.
Oh! No, she didn't. Hold on. You're not gonna do me like that. Don't play with me. Why is she playing with me?
Cold enough?